In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted records in Salesforce using the Salesforce Recycle Bin. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just looking to sharpen your skills, this guide will walk you through the process in a clear and straightforward manner. Let's begin by logging into Salesforce. This is your first step. Once you're logged in, the next thing you'll want to do is navigate to the App Launcher. You'll find the App Launcher icon at the top of your Salesforce interface, often represented by a grid of small squares. Click on it and a menu will appear showing all the available applications. Your focus here is to find the Recycle Bin. In the search bar, type Recycle Bin, and you should see it appear in the drop-down menu. Clicking on the Recycle Bin will take you to a list of recently deleted records. Next, you'll want to locate the particular record you wish to restore. The list you see is organized chronologically by the deletion date, so if you know when the record was deleted, that can help you quickly find it. Scan through the list, and once you spot the record, select it. With the desired record selected, look for a small drop-down arrow next to the record. Clicking this arrow reveals a set of options, including the option to restore the record. This is your next move. Now go ahead and click the Restore option. The moment you click Restore, Salesforce starts the process of recovering that record and placing it back into its original location, just like it was before being deleted. It's a seamless process, and in just a few seconds, your record should be back where it belongs. And there you have it. Restoring a deleted record in Salesforce is that simple. This feature can be a lifesaver when you accidentally delete something important. It's also worth noting that the Recycle Bin retains records for a limited time, typically up to 15 days, so be sure to act promptly if you need to recover something. Before we conclude, here's a quick tip. Regular backups of your data are always a good idea, especially if working with mission-critical records. Although Salesforce's Recycle Bin is a great safety net, comprehensive data management practices can prevent data loss and ensure business continuity. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, feel free to like and subscribe for more Salesforce tips and insights. Until next time, happy Salesforce managing.